Just starting with 1xBet, here are the top 5 things you must know before placing your first bet. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to Registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Always verify your account first. It saves trouble when withdrawing. To make it, go to Menu, Personal Profile, enter details, and here you can put all details and proceed with account verification. Second, check the promo codes. You can double your deposit with a welcome bonus. Once again, go to Menu, Other, Promo, and here you can find all different available promo codes. Third, learn the odds system, decimal, fractional, or American. 4. Don't bet everything on one game. Spread your bets for safety. And 5th, a suggestion, set a budget and stick to it. Betting should be fun, not stressful. Follow these simple tips and you'll start your 1xBet journey the smart way. And if this video was nice, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.